it.
You lost the fucking screwdriver. You lost the screw. This is the next level fucking YouTube video. I swear to God. This guy's the best fucking computer.
I just dropped it on the floor.
Some high level video you made right now.
Oh, I should probably not touch those parts. I should probably not try to get any finger grease on that. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be building my computer. It's 1600-ish. I'm going to be going over the parts right now. Okay, to start off I have this case, 2 monitors, both are Asus. I'll put the name and the price specifics. And then I have an Asus wireless because my Ethernet is too far. Motherboard, the graphics card, power supply, the CPU fan, the storage, the HDD, the RAM, and the processor.
I also forgot to mention that I bought the Windows 10 OS and they sent a DVD. I put it on this drive right here. And I also bought a 512GB SSD from the brand Team Group. And the total of those two together are going to be $174.94.
So that brings my grand total to around $1,771. So without further ado, let's just get straight into where I start building the computer.
So yeah, I have the motherboard, which I will now be opening.
I may or may not have already opened it because I was too much of a kid to contain my excitement. But I know to grip it by the metal parts because fingers have grease and you don't want to grease any part of this part of the motherboard. I don't even know what it's called.
Cut this nice over. Wow, the smell is getting a lot stronger. But
Dang, it smells good. Oh, nothing like brand new electronics. So I'm gonna try to just touch it with these parts.
so I have unhooked that. Now I'm going to be opening my i5.
Now, I do believe my friend told me to be very careful, and I watched some videos that I should grab it from the side like this and not touch any of those pins. Or else I'm gonna have to return this, and I wasted my money.
Pretty nice. I'm not gonna slide it, hopefully. It looks pretty nice. So
I know that I should be matching this arrow to that arrow right there. And it's gonna go, oh my god, I just touched it like that. Should not be doing that. It's gonna go where the circle is, which is right there.
I'm gonna try carefully not touch the bottom.
And from watching a video on Linus Tech Tips, I'm gonna give it a tiny little wiggle. I'm gonna be going ahead and snapping the RAM into place. That should not be too. That's 2. Alright. So I have both RAM in place. And if I ever need more, I could just download more off the internet, you know. Oh my god. Now I'm pretty much done with everything I can do. This is zooming in too much. So I have the entire motherboard with the CPU fan plugged in. Alright, it's recording now. Oh wow.
We're in video, boys. Say hi to YouTube.
I'm cutting all this part out.
Oh my god, please don't.
So at this point I finished the CPU, so I'm just waiting on the case, but thanks to the effect of movie magic, you, the viewer, is not gonna have to wait for the case because it's gonna appear like this. Oh, I should probably not touch those parts. I should probably not try to get any finger grease on that. It.
You know the fucking screw shirt. You know the screw. This is the next level fucking YouTube video. I swear to God. This guy's the best fucking computer.
I just dropped on the floor. Jeez, that's beautiful. Wow, that really glistens. The moment of truth. Oh, my bad. Alright. The moment of truth. Wow. So this is the PC after my setup. So I actually had a problem starting the PC because I put the RAM in the wrong place. It should be second and fourth. So my computer would not turn on until I fixed that. So you can see I have the horizontal display and then the vertical display. And it runs League on high very easily. I run just about any other game on Ultra, like Witcher 2. I mean, I'll show you. So, as you guys know, Witcher 2 is a very graphic intensive game. As you can see, I'm running on Ultra with no lag spikes at all. Pretty nice. I'm not gonna play this because it deleted my save file, so yeah. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this PC purchase, especially since the whole thing comes out of my taxes this year. Hopefully, if it doesn't, I'm smashing the whole PC. Or I'm refunding the whole PC. Alright, lastly, I just want to say thank you for watching this far. If you like this video, then like it. I don't know what else to say. Subscribe if you want, I guess. I really don't think much people are gonna watch this, so I really could give less.